I am Kavita here. I'm a certified government certified yoga instructor. So I'll be taking you a few beginner stretches. So let's get started. Let's first do eyes closed, spine straight, breathe in and out. Palms on the knees, open to the sky. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. One time. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out completely. Just keep moving towards the way. Let's be here on the mat wherever we are sitting. Let's give 100% for the stretches that we will do for 15 to 20 minutes. So let's get started. Let's open our eyes and let's get started. Breathe in, stretch the right hand out. Breathe out and stretch the left side. Take a breath, open up the chest and relax and drop the right arm. Left hand up, just the right side. Open up the chest and put the sit. And just show 8 stretches one time. You can do it and pause the video and it's up to your count or you may do it more. So let's do another one stretch. Drop the left palm, left elbow on the mat. Make a stretch. Look at the ceiling. And right palm and right elbow on the mat. Breathe in, stretch up, breathe out. Now let's do some spinal twist. Breathe in, raise both the hands up. Drop the right palm on the left knee and drop the left arm back and give the spine a twist. If you can look back, otherwise it's fine, as much as possible. Now breathe in again, raise both the hands up, breathe out, drop it on the other side. One more time, stretch up, drop the right palm on the left knee and stretch sideways. Give a pull if you can look at the ceiling and raise the arms up. Then drop it on the other side and stretch. Arms up and relax. Drop the arms inside and bend forward. Back to the center. Keeping eyes closed, let's observe our spine. Let's observe all the stretches that we did to our spine. And be aware of our breath. Now slowly, let's come to the knee and knee is one arm distance and one arm and one palm. So what happens? The hip and the knee is in one line. The shoulder and the wrist is in one line. Okay? Now let's do the cat and cow pose. Most of us know how to do it, but still I will give you instruction. Breathe in, bring your spine down and look up. Breathe out, chin to the chest. Breathe in, up, breathe out, and down. Tabletop. Now breathe in, stretch the right leg back. Feel the stretch as if somebody is pulling your leg. Balance yourself and stretch the left arm forward. If it is really difficult, you can drop the arm and stretch the leg. Still you will feel and relax. Now the other side, stretch the left leg backward. Stretch the right arm forward. Focus at one point. And slowly drop the arm. Drop the leg. So now we are doing some stretches for the spine. Now what we'll do is, we'll give a small twist to the spine by walking with your palms to the right side. Walk. And look at your heel. Now again, center. To the other side. Look at the left heel. Or whichever side you're turning, look at that side heel. Center. And again to table. One more time. We will do the stretches for the spine to the right, center to the left, and center. Relax. Again to stop. Now we'll take our hands a little far and drop our chin or the forehead on the mat. This is the puppy pose. It's a good deep stretch for the shoulders. And sitting Vajrasana. Vajrasana means you're sitting on your glutes or your butts are on the heels. So keeping our spine straight. We'll do some wrist movement. So make a fist and make a circular movement, slow movements. We are not in a hurry. Yeah. Opposite. These are the gentle basic movement we should do every day. And open up your palms and clench. Open and clench. I'll show you on the front side also. Open and clench as if somebody is going to grab you. And clench. Now open again, the fingers together and drop. Open and drop. And drop. Now the sideways. And now left palm and fingers are completely stretched. Now with the help of the right palm, take your fingers towards the back, towards your body. The elbows are straight of the left palm. Now slowly turn the palm and again pull towards the body. Now the right one. Fingers are already in a stretch. The arms are straight, elbows are not bent. Now with the help of the left palm, pull the fingers towards the body. You can feel a good stretch in your forearm. Now turn and again pull. I really can feel my arm. If you're doing it properly, you too can feel it. And slowly drop back. If you want to shake a bit. Now we'll do, if you want to sit in Vajrasana you can, or if you want to come to Khasana, you can. Now raise the right hand and drop the right palm on the left shoulder blade. The spine is straight. Now with the left palm, hold the right elbow and pull it towards inside. This was a very good stretch. Keep the chin straight. The chin is not long, it's not like this, it's like this. Now relax the arm. The other side. The left palm on the right shoulder blade and the right palm is pulling the left elbow. Sorry. Pulling the left elbow towards the body, towards inside, and slowly relax. Now the shoulders are warmed up, spine is also warmed up. A little bit movement for our hips and our legs. So for our hips, let's do the butterfly. It's up to you how much we can do. If it's not completely going down, you can give a push, gentle push, not very hard. And you can keep the feet open. So if you're keeping the feet open, the knees will go down automatically. And we'll keep our spine straight. And let's clap. And smile. Beautiful butterflies. Even if the smile is fake, let's keep it. And we are flying. And once you are done, take a head up and back and bend forward as much as possible. And come back. If you want, you can do one more time the clapping. Relax the tensions in the inner thigh. And after we're done with the butterfly, we will stretch the right leg on the side, a kind of 45 degree, and the left leg is bent and towards the foot is towards the groin region. Keep our spine straight as much as possible. You can always take the support of the ball if you need. Breathe in, stretch both the arms up. Breathe out down to the right side and tap on the right foot. Again, come up. Again, tap. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now the last time, breathe in. Now we'll hold for 5 counts. Hold 5, observe your breath. 4, 3, if you feel a deeper stretch, observe your breath. 2, and 1. Slowly come up and relax. Now the other leg. Now you can feel a nice, warm stretch on my left leg also. Breathe in, stretch up. Breathe out, turn to the left side and tap. Up and tap. Up and tap. Up. Breathe out and tap. Now the last one. Breathe in, breathe out. We'll hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in, come on. And breathe out. Relax the arms. Now we'll stretch the right leg out again. We'll always keep our spine straight. That's our goal. Okay? Keeping the spine straight is our goal. Because normally what happens when we are doing some work or somewhere in the office or at home, normally slouch, kind of this. So here for 15-20 minutes, let's keep our spine straight. Keeping our spine straight, now stretch, put the hands up. Now breathe out and slowly drop your arms at front. And if you can walk with your palms towards forward, do that for as much as possible. Again, breathing up and back. Breathe out, bend forward. One more time. Breathing up and back. Breathe out, bend forward. If you can drop your elbows, look. Otherwise, as much as possible, listen to your body. Look as well. Feel a deep stretch in your, I can feel though. So we'll bend our knee first, then we will take the leg. Sukhasana or normal. So we sit. Now we'll do one last pranayama. We'll do Nadi Shodhana pranayama. Left hand is in Chin Mudra, that is the thumb and index fingers are together. And the other 3 fingers are straightened. And we'll keep it on the left knee open to the ceiling, and the right index finger, right palm index finger, and the second finger is in between the eyebrows. The thumb, the right thumb is on the side of the right nostril, and the ring finger is on the side of the left nostril. Okay. Now while breathing in, breathe in with both the nostrils. Breathe out completely. Now close the right nostril. Breathe in from the left. Close the left nostril, breathe out from the right. Breathe in from the right, breathe out from the left. Breathe in from the left, breathe out from the right. Breathe in from the right nostril, breathe out from the left nostril. Nostril. Breathe out from the right. Let's keep our eyes closed and continue slow and deep breaths. Out from the left nostril. You may slowly relax your right palm, keeping your eyes closed. And the left palm is also opened up. Mahamudra. Observe the state of the mind now. Let's see. You have a meditation rub your palm, generate some heat, and we'll cup the palms on our eye and blink our eyes 2 to 3 times to get the warmth. Now slowly take the palm all over the body, glide it to get the energy, to get the warmth for the whole day that you require. Now open your eyes and look at your palms. Good morning. Hope you liked my session. For more such videos, do follow and subscribe. Thank you.